Asante sana.
Nekigendererwa cyo kurwanisa okwita enjojo ahabwa omwino gwayo abarinzi b'obusinge abirindo ry'enyamishwa erya Lake Mboro National Park batireho okutambura okwetorora omu rurembo rwa Mbarara n'ebicweka ebigyetoreire barikujanjaza engyeregi. Aba bebembirwe Dr. Jim Justus Nyamu kuruga omu ihanga rya Kenya kandi ori mukuru w'ekitongore kya Elephant Neighbors Center ekirikurwanirira obugabe bw'enjojo kandi ogu n'omurundi gwa mukaaga barikutambura omu mahanga ga East Africa kujanjaza omurango ogu.
Abanya-Uganda bino omutima murungi barasa kushomesa abantu bariga ebyo babashomesa. Noreba omuntu kuruga Kenya akiza kutushomesa by'itu bitwinaha no kuhemuka kurumu nitwe twina abantu abashomere ku bantu babikora imwe abambarara abisingiro abakiruhura Ankole region yona na Uganda yona tushemere tukwatanise nitwe tumwigiteho tutandike kuburira enjiri yo kurinde ebyo buhangwa.
We've managed to reduce poaching. However, there are other emerging issues that are coming. We are losing so many elephants through the human-wildlife conflict, whereby community are getting agitated, retaliation, and they are demanding the authority to kill some animals.
Mwagomeza muno kuhiga tuba twine kisubu kimwe ntuferwa abarambuza abaturani bija atunoreba abatambuza kubo kwija batuyamba kutuhereza kasente.
Dr. Jim Justus Nyamu owatahire omu ihanga rya Uganda enshuminke ehingwire arikurabira ahasharo ya Busia arikutambuza ebigere obwa hati ahikira omu kyanga kya Burengero Izoba kandi no kugumizamu kuza omu mahanga nka Rwanda hamwe na Democratic Republic of Congo.
Ayambereho uwa controlling poaching kuhiga ebisoro by'obuhangwa mostly elephants. Really campaign ya nungi muno kandi nienda egumizemu.
When I heard about this work for elephants, I knew that we are doing the right cause, because without protecting our environment and nature, humanity is also at risk.
Looking even of other emerging issues, I know in the north, Kidepo, we are losing elephants seriously through poaching. And the effect of poaching in Goma, in Darfur, in the Sudan, and also in Boma National Park in Sudan, is we have those interlinkages.
Okumara esabiti ehingwire Dr. Jim Justus Nyamu n'abarinzi b'enyamishwa aba Lake Mboro National Park abaturi nibetorora ebyanga ebiheririndo ry'enyamishwa eri ebiromo kiruhura isingiro Rakai lyantonde hamwe na Mbaraste barikujanjaza omurango ogu kandi okutambura oku noko kugumizamu mpaka ahasharo ya Uganda na Rwanda aho bakuru b'ebitongore nkauwa barakwase omukuru ogu gavumenti ya Rwanda ahabiro 29 okwezi oku kugumizamu omahanga gandi. Gashakwa Agacencwire.